Ahmad Shah Durrani, often referred to as the Father of Modern Afghanistan, was one of the most influential Muslim rulers of the 18th century. Born in 1722 in Herat, present-day Afghanistan, as Ahmad Khan Abdali, he rose from the ranks of an Afghan tribal leader to establish the Durrani Empire in 1747. His leadership united a fragmented region, laying the foundations of what would become modern Afghanistan. Ahmad Shah's vision extended far beyond his homeland. He was a statesman, military strategist, poet, and devout Muslim. Under his rule, the Durrani Empire expanded to include territories that now form parts of Afghanistan, Pakistan, Iran, and northern India, making it one of the largest Muslim empires of its time. What set Ahmad Shah apart was not just his military conquests but also his ability to govern a diverse empire. His reign was marked by efforts to promote Islamic unity, protect Muslim lands from external threats, and maintain justice and order. His humility, combined with his charisma, earned him the loyalty of tribal leaders and soldiers alike. Ahmad Shah's legacy continues to resonate today, both as a unifier of Afghanistan and as a protector of Islamic traditions and values during an era of political upheaval in South Asia. Ahmad Shah Durrani's life and achievements are a shining example of visionary leadership in Islamic history. He not only united the Afghan tribes but also safeguarded Muslim territories during a time of political and religious fragmentation. His victory at the Third Battle of Panipat was not merely a military triumph but a significant moment that shaped the fate of South Asia's Muslim population. His legacy endures in modern Afghanistan, where he is revered as Ahmad Shah Baba, the father of the nation. The blue-domed mausoleum in Kandahar, where he is buried, stands as a testament to his enduring influence. His poetry, military strategy, and governance principles continue to inspire leaders and historians alike. Ahmad Shah Durrani's story is not just a tale of conquest but one of unity, resilience, and faith. His contributions to the Islamic world and his role in shaping the history of South Asia make him a towering figure whose legacy will remain timeless.